Hey, I'm Haley Davis, and I'm new to YouTube, and, well, I'm just going to give you a little detour of my home. Like that. Now, how about I show you the animals? Rabbit. Chicken. And my dog. Well, I actually have two dogs, but this is outside one. Her name is Star. And she just put her snot all over the screen. Cleaned it off. And well, I saw this YouTube video and I'm like, oh my god, I want to make me a YouTube. So I did. And I got 3 cats. This is one of them. Okay. And got 2 more. Well, I don't know if they're out here. Yep, they're out here. They're not really sisters, but I think they believe they're sisters because they're always together. Here they are. Belle and Gabby.